How to get Pizza Hut working promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Pizza Hut promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Pizza Hut, so go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers, 40% off coupon, $10 off coupon, 30% off coupon, and many more. You can just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the coupon code, to use it, click on this option, so coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Pizza Hut, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, View Discount at Pizza Hut. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Pizza Hut. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Make sure to use other offers as well. Make sure you check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo code and coupon codes for Pizza Hut. Well, this is how you can easily get Pizza Hut working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.